So if you find yourself asking the question, what do I do if some of my students can attend my live CTLS session and then other families say, we can't get in? How can you include everybody without dumping the students in your current session or making them wait too long? So if you are in a live session, I'm just going to click here on my class. I'm going to come over here to digital sessions, and I'm going to start a live session. So if you're in a live session, and launch with Zoom app, and you are able to see some of your classmates, but then your email or your phone starts blowing up with parents saying, we can't get into CTLS, we can't get in. This is how you can provide for them an alternative and still use the CTLS platform, so you're not dumping the children that are already with you to do something different. Now, as much as I don't want to be full screen right now, and pardon fake classroom in my background, I'll show you how. If you watch the cursor right here, I'm going to come up, I'm going to point to the eye in the corner. And then when you point to the eye in the corner, what you do is you get a link right here. This is the link. You're going to copy a link that you want to send to parents. You'll also get a password. So copy that link and provide that password to parents in an email. And it's that simple. Once they click on that link and provide that password, they should be able to jump into this session with your other students, so you can continue to teach, and hopefully they can log on as well, even if they are not having success getting onto the CTLS platform.